In this brief tutorial, we'll review a few tips about finding lab, imaging, and EKG results in the CurrentCare Portal. Please note that all screenshots in this training show test patients with no actual PHI. All test results can be found under Clinical Data and then Health Records. When clinical data is selected from the menu bar, the default tab under Health Records is All. It displays all three types together on one tab and includes a category column that shows each row as laboratory, radiology, or clinical notes. You will also see columns for date collected, data source, description, and provider. Let's start with lab results. Click on the Laboratory tab to see a list of only lab results. The most recent results are at the top of the list. Any abnormal results will have an orange flag next to the result. To open the full report, click anywhere on that row. You can hover over any orange flags next to an individual test to show whether it's above high normal or below low normal. To download a PDF of the report, click the arrow in the top right. A common use case is to compare one lab value over time. You can do this by clicking the search icon, then typing your search criteria into the box that appears on the left. As you type, the list will narrow to your search. Click one of the rows to open that result. Once you have viewed one of the rows in your search result, click the arrows in the top right to toggle through different versions over time. In this example, the value dipped below normal in the more recent result. Radiology results are found under Clinical Data's Health Records tab. Click on the Radiology tab to see a list of only imaging results. The most recent results are at the top of the list. To open a report, click anywhere on that row. You can use the scroll bar to view the entire report. To download or print a PDF, click the arrow at the top right. Click Yes to confirm the download. Follow your browser's prompts to open or save the PDF to a secure location. You can then print it if needed. You will notice that the header shows CRISP Shared Services instead of CurrentCare. This is the name of CurrentCare's technology platform. EKGs are found under Clinical Data's Health Records tab in the Clinical Notes tab. You will notice that discharge documents can also be found under this tab, but these will be described in a separate training. Click anywhere on an EKG row and then click the document icon in the top right. You can use the scroll bar to view the entire report or the plus and minus buttons at the top to zoom in or out. To download or print a PDF, click the arrow at the top right. Here are a few more tips and resources. We've touched on some of these above, but these features are available on all the results tabs: sorting, hiding data from your organization, searching for specific results, hiding columns or showing them again, and filtering the view. If you need assistance or have questions about CurrentCare, you can learn more at the web pages listed here, or please contact our support team who will be happy to assist you.